Good morning, class. We all learned about sentence in our earliest of our session. So, from today, you all get our message that is on Saturday, that from Monday onwards we will start our lesson with the begin, and we have to take our books and copy with ourselves when our periods going on. So this is your first period of English, you all know. So I think that you all have your English grammar or fair copy with you. So and some of the students, if you don't have your copies or books, just note it down in rough copy right now. But as soon as possible, talk to your parents and buy your new fair copy and books, because the session is going on from today, same as our session is running in our regular classes. So here, today is 27th April. From today we will start our writing work also in our fair copy. So do one thing, first try to understand what I am written here. After completing my video, you can copy it in your English grammar copy. I will click one photo of this exercise and send to you all. So now come to the definition of sentence. What is the definition of sentence, students? That a sentence is a group of words which are put together to mean something. Okay. So from how we get a sentence, a complete sentence? First of all, we have to know about letters. You all know what are letters? The alphabets. And we learnt in our very initial age that are ABCD. That letters are called alphabets as well as letter. Those letter, when joined together, is known as words. That means group of letters when joined together is known as words. And when group of words join together, it makes a complete sentence with a complete thought. I think you all understand this very well. So from here you can write your begin your chapter in your fair copy. Okay, use your black as well as blue pen with yourself, same as which you are written in your previous classes. Use your both your pen with you. Okay, so from here you have to start and you have to copy all these things in your fair copy. So what are letters? The alphabets. What are words? Group of letters is known as words. And what is sentence? A group of words joined together, it make a complete sentence with a complete thought. So you have to note down this definition of sentence in your grammar copy. A sentence is a group of words which are put together to mean something. It contains a group of words and expresses a complete thought. Some more thing which we need to know about sentence, that a sentence consists of a subject and a predicate. To what is this subject and what is this predicate? How we get this two words from a specific sentence? So there is one example, it's a very easiest example. that Bill writes good poems. That means Bill comes under subject and write good poems comes under predicate. In very simpler and easiest way you can understand this sentence chapter, that in this sentence Bill comprises as subject, whereas writes good poems comprises as predicate. In simpler words, you have to write in your copies subject as well as predicate. What are the subject part? The noun or the pronoun. Noun means a name of a particular person or place. And what is pronoun? According to gender, we can use he, she, it or they. What is the predicate part? The verb part. See, right from verb part we have to add this sentence as predicate. And what comes under the first word of the sentence is known as subject, whether it is noun as well as pronoun. If you understand all these things from starting to here, you have to write this in your fair copy. Now we have to proceed this, underline the complete subject and complete predicate in grammar copy. So this exercise is given in your this chapter, sentence chapter, in page number 10. So see, the first we have to underline the complete subject and a complete predicate. Okay, and you know that noun or pronoun part is comprises as subject and the verb part is comprises in predicate. So you have to underline this with a scale. First sentence is Rohit and Ankur worked hard on their project. That means you have to use this scale with you. Don't apply only pen to underline. Use your scale. Okay. So Rohit and Ankur is your noun. So you have to underline here, and in the above part you have to write as subject. Worked hard on their project comes under predicate. Okay. Now second, a large number of swimmers comes under subject and participated in the race this year comes under predicate. Next, the tired old man comes under subject and came in front the scorching heat comes under predicate. Next, Kavita comes under subject and is writing a letter comes under predicate. Is your helping verb. Next, dinner comes under subject and will be ready in 15 minutes comes under predicate. Understand till here, students? If you have any problem you can ask me. The fireman comes under subject. Are extinguishing the fire comes under predicate. Seventh sentence, only we word comes under subject because this is a pronoun word in a plural sentence. Went to lunch with Dolly and her father today. This comes under predicate. Next, Dinu is the name of a person. So this comes under subject, and can come with us to the movie comes under predicate. Next, Rohit comes under subject and is my best friend comes under predicate. The moon comes under subject and is shining bright comes under predicate. So students, I think that you all understand the subject and predicate part very well, but if you have any problem to understand this, then you can ask me within 1 hour. And please students, it's a request for every teacher that you all have to Do your class work as well as homework very attentively. If you do any careless work, then you will suffer, because every week you have your board revision test when our class is going on. So right now, from our home, we will also start our writing test weekly. So attend your class very carefully, see the video in your all subject very attentively, and don't do your work carelessly in each and every subject, whether it is English, math, science, Hindi, Sanskrit, computer, etc. Some subjects are also there. You have to do your work regularly basis, same as we all are doing in our regular class form. So we have to continue the sentence chapter tomorrow also. Do your this till here in your English grammar copy. If you have any problem, ask me in your allotted period of time in within 1 hour. Okay, so go through this chapter very carefully. Thank you, class.